everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remap any button on your Xbox Series Elite controller, and this is very easy to do. Let's go to settings and scroll on down to devices and connection and go to controllers and headset. So this is going to be a little bit different than just a normal controller. We want to go to our controller here and select and go to configure. Then choose your profile and then choose the slot. Then we can go to edit. You can see like all the button remaps right here. So everything is just remapped with these green little lines. And then we can go to edit. And then we can just select the specific button and we can remap it. So I don't know, let's just press this button. And you can go from primary button to all these other buttons. Then we have actions, color filters. Yep, you can just look through here. See if you want to apply an action specifically to that, or key. Got shift key control. So we got some specific keys on the keyboard. So assign a key. You can press any kind of key on your keyboard. It'll open up the keyboard. So if you want to do that. I'm just going to leave this on the X button, but you can come to any one of these. And the cool thing is the left stick and the right stick, we can change the response curve on here. So I have an aggressive response curve, and it's kind of like having a dynamic response curve when you're playing Call of Duty. So I like this in other games, so I could change this up when I'm playing like Destiny or Overwatch or something like that. This gives me more control of how I want my movement to be. So mess around with this. This makes a huge difference for me. So your movement could be really, really quick as soon as you move your thumbstick. Otherwise you can have it slow down and then pick up. And then here's the triggers, the vibrations, and the color. So I just have mine at like white or light blue. Just come to this section, you can adjust your controller really easily and you can remap it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tac.